cheapest routes that you can do on the bullet train. It takes 8 minutes. It's from Hakata to Hakata Minami Station. Costs just 330 yen, so about £1.60. If you want to ride the Shinkansen but don't want to spend a lot of money, this is a perfect route to take if you're ever in Fukuoka. Really a live flatbed. Just chilling watching the world go by for the next 8 minutes. You're wondering what the leg room is like. Yeah, absolutely loads of leg room. This is the seat. Put your drinks in. Hold your stuff up. That's brilliant. Just like that, we're getting off. And we have arrived at the station, literally 8 minutes. And this is the one that we just went on. They also have, obviously, the cabins. So cool. And at most of the Shinkansen stations, they'll give you a piece of paper at the stamp machine, and you can stamp it. Oh, got it. And then you can take it home.